Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create employees vacation timesheet. In this application I want to enter the employee vacation like this. The first step, I want to pick the employee name, okay, from a drop down list, and then type the start date of the vacation like this, and the end date, and Excel automatically calculate the vacation days and exclude the weekend days and the annual holidays for the company. Okay, in this application I am going to use the table tool and the network days until function and the name command. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, we have to type the employee's name like this, okay, and then I am going to give it the employee's name a name. So I highlight the cells like this, and from the name box, this area, I type a name without a space and press enter. Okay, then in a separate sheet, the first step, we have to type the holidays for your company like this example. Okay, and the next step, I am going to create a table. Okay, the first step, we have to type the header row like this one, employee name, start date, end date, and the total. Then I am going to apply a table. So I highlight the header row and the next row, and from the home tab, okay, I select format as table. You can select any table you want. For example, this one. Okay, and be sure to check this option, my table has headers, because the header row is exist. And press OK. Now we applied a table to our data. Okay, then the next step, I am going to create a drop down list for the employees' names. So I highlight the cell, and on data tab, I select the data validation, and from the allow drop down list, I select list. Okay, and in the source, I pick the employee's name. So from the formulas tab, in use in formula, I pick my name, employees list, and press OK. Now we have a drop down list of our employees. So we can pick the name instead of type the name, so we save the effort and the time. Okay, the next step, I want Excel to calculate the vacation days. So I am going to use the network days until function. Okay, the first step, I highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal and network days. There is two versions of the function. In this example, I am going to use network days until, because this version has an advantage. You can specify the weekend days for your company. Let me show you how to do this. The first argument, we have to specify the start date. So I type P4. Okay, and the next argument, I have to type the end date. Okay, but we have to type the list separator. The list separator could be comma or semicolon, depending on your computer setting. In this example, I am going to use comma. You can know it from this step. Okay? Then I specify the end date. Okay, the end date in C4. And then I specify the weekend days. This function provides us with multiple choices. You can choose your weekend days. In this example, I want this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Okay? And then specify the annual holidays for your company. Okay? So I am going to highlight these cells. And I have to make it as absolute reference or fixed by pressing F4. Okay, because I want when I copy down the formula, the cells will not be changed. Okay, then I close the parentheses. Okay, I type the closing parentheses and press enter. Okay. Now, if I type the start date of the vacation and the end date, now Excel calculate the vacation days without the weekend days and the holidays for your company. Okay, the next step, I want to display the total vacations for all the employees. Okay, so I am going to use a feature. Okay, the table provide us with it. Okay, so we have to select any cell in the table, and from table design select total row. Okay, the benefit of total row. Okay, it display the total vacation for all your employees. And if you want to display only for a specific employee, okay, the total will be updated and so on. Okay, now I display the all vacations for my employee, and I can display the total vacations for this employee. And if you want to remove the filter, you can select clear filter from employee name. Okay, if you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback, please comment below the video. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial.